Here we have a beautiful Jokerher drop-through complete longboard. Jokerher has been continuously innovating its products to bring you the best of the best. This complete longboard features 40 inches of pure adrenaline within its solid 9-ply maple construction. This drop-through comes equipped with 9-inch heavy-duty aluminum trucks with a reverse kingpin setup to handle the rigorous downhill and free-riding styles that it was designed to endure. With 70mm 78A hardness gel speed cruiser wheels, you will surely have a smooth ride. Tiny bumps, cracks, and rocks will pose no threat to beginner and experienced riders alike. The Ritalin ABEX 7 bearings will allow you to fulfill your need for speed. The Black Widow premium grade grip tape paired with the progressive concave on this board will allow you to have ample foot space while giving you the ability and stability to tackle high-speed carving. Whether you want to bomb a hill, get to class, or carve through heavy foot traffic, the drop-through will equip you with the necessary means to maximize your longboarding experience. With durable construction and first-rate components, the Jokerher drop-through sets the bar for affordable, high-caliber longboards. What are you waiting for?